Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I begin, I do want to thank all of those of you who subscribe to my channel. This week I hit a milestone, and so I really want to thank you for helping me reach that. For today's project, I'm going to show you how I made this cosmetic zipper pouch. Very easy project to do, didn't take too long. I will put the link to this pattern on the description. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them on the comments. Continue watching for my sewing tutorial.
Welcome to my cosmetic zipper pouch sewing tutorial. I have posted for you the supplies that you will need for this project. But once you have your pattern cut out, I begin with cutting the fabric with the pattern. You will end up with 3 pieces for the exterior, since the exterior is 2 color fabrics. The bottom part of the pouch is red and the top is white, so you have to cut those and sew them together to make the one-piece exterior. Once you sew the 3 pieces together to make one whole piece of the exterior, place the exterior of the pouch onto the fusible batting to cut it and trim it to the size. After you trim the batting to the size of the exterior, then you can now press it and iron it onto the fabric. It is a fusible, so it will stick to the fabric. I show you how to replace your sewing foot pedal. Replace it with the zipper foot pedals, because the first thing you're going to do is sew the zipper to the exterior and to the lining. zipper turns out to be too long, you can trim it by sewing over the zipper teeth and just sewing over it a few times, and then you can cut and trim it. So don't worry if the zipper turns out to be a little bit too long like mine. I don't know why it was measured to the size that I was supposed to use, but I don't know, it came out a little longer, so I just trimmed it. After you completed sewing the zipper, then you sew the sides. Don't forget to leave an opening so that you can turn it inside out, and also leave the zipper a little bit open. I think this is a pretty easy project to do if you follow my directions. All you need to do is sew the zipper, then sew the sides, turn it inside out, and you have a little pouch. I always like to press my seams when I finish my projects so that it could look a little neater. Thank you so much for following along. I hope the sewing tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions, of course, you can always message me. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope the sewing tutorial was easy to follow. Any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to put them on the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And also, if you're liking my videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Stay safe and stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, have fun keeping it crafty.